What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. I feel like if I were watching this video, I would be so frustrated if I never found out what this shirt said. Let me just get that out of the way. There you go. Could have been something bad, you know? I'm sorry for sounding like a man in today's video. I lost my voice recently and we're still going through it. I am also so filled up on cold medication, so it's fine. Today's video is going to be a huge throwback. The last What's in My Bag video that I did was 3 years ago. That's insane. Actually, if any of you guys want to take a little quick trip down memory lane, I'm gonna link all of my what's in my purse videos that I've ever uploaded onto the internet. I don't even know how many there are. I feel like I'm gonna regret this. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification. I'll also have my Instagram and Twitter linked down below. Let's jump right into it. Okay. So, I'm gonna be showing you guys what's in my work bag, day-to-day bag, just sort of like the larger one that has more things in it. I got this from And Other Stories back in New York a few years ago. This bag is actually pretty old and it's held up so well. It still looks brand new and I just love it. It matches all of my outfits. You've got a little shoulder strap, but also there's a larger strap as well, and I love the silver hardware on it. Starting off with this little zipper side compartment. It's pretty small, so I just have one thing in here, and it is a singular metal straw. I switch them out every night. I'm not just like using the same straw every single day. I make sure that I wash it. Yeah, plastic straws are terrible for the environment. I'm gonna pull out the heaviest thing in here because I'm tired of carrying this right now. That would be my MacBook Air. Anytime I'm like writing or working at a coffee shop, going to a meeting, visiting the office, whatever, I always have my MacBook Air with me. The sticker cover that I have on top is from Unique Find. I will link it down below. Next up, we've got a water bottle. So important to stay hydrated. This one is from Swell. I also always like to carry around a notebook with me, and if you guys recognize this notebook, this is actually one of my notebooks that I created in collaboration with Central 23. There are 2 other designs, and yeah, you can still get them. We've restocked them, and this one says Vomit Journal. It's a play on the phrase word vomit. It's just a great everyday notebook to jot things down. Of course, we have a phone charger. My cell phone, I have the iPhone 7 Plus, I think. I don't know. I feel like I keep plugging my stuff, but a lot of you guys are asking when my Wildflower case will be back in stock, and it'll be back in stock on Black Friday. I'll make sure to like tweet it out and stuff like that. But yeah, just got my cell phone with me. Some sunglasses. These are by the brand Urban Owl. I feel like these don't really go with today's outfit, but these are kind of just like my driving sunglasses. I'm realizing now that I really don't carry that much in my purse. I have a scrunchie. I always have scrunchies everywhere, like on my wrists and in my purses. I have this little Tangle Teaser kind of palm hairbrush. Self-explanatory. Ooh, okay, yo, so excited to talk about this because this is a new installment in my life and I'm so obsessed. It is the Sage Nature Wellness Pocket Pharmacy, and when you open it up, it's got some essential oils in here, and they're all for different reasons, and you use them in different ways. So there's one for when you're feeling like under the weather. I'll use it right now. You rub it on your neck and on your chest. Oh my god, it smells so good. There's pain release, so if any joints, muscles, whatever feel sore or you're in pain. You've got the Peppermint Halo, which is like their most popular one. It kind of feels like icy hot. So if you have a headache, you can like put it on your forehead and then also go all the way around to the back or put on your shoulders, and it like cools anywhere that you put it, and it feels so good. And then there's Gutsy, which is for digestion. You literally put it on your stomach. And then the last one is Stress Release. Roll some into your palm, go like this, and just take deep breaths like in your hands. So you just go like this. If there's anything I can recommend from this video, it would definitely be this. Next up, we've got some spray hand sanitizer. Lavender Organic Hand Sanitizer. I think I got this from Whole Foods, but yeah, I like to carry this around because sometimes like when your hands feel gross and you don't have like a sink anywhere near you and it's just like the worst feeling in the whole world. There's a smaller zipper pocket in here, and I usually keep my wallet in here so that I have it at easy reach. This wallet is from YSL. I love it because it's small. I don't like big wallets. They just take up too much room and frankly, I just don't need to be carrying that many cards with me. Also in this pocket, we have my AirPods. Never leave the house without these. I will pop these in when I'm shopping, grocery shopping, when I'm on a call, when I'm waiting on something and I want to throw in like a podcast or listen to music, or if I'm getting my nails done, like literally any situation, AirPods make them so much better. I've got a smaller bag in my purse, and I guess this would be considered like my makeup bag with random things in it, but honestly, I don't carry that much makeup around with me. And if I am purposely bringing like a bunch of makeup to actually do it at some point later in the day, then I will make the effort and like pack a makeup bag with me. But as far as like day-to-day stuff, I'm rarely touching out my face, so I have a few things. This is the Fresh Sugar Sport. It's my favorite chapstick. I love it. We've also got some mints from Starbucks. We've got a tampon, some Sephora blotting little sheets if I start getting greasy throughout the day. I also have this in here, which I guess kind of does the same thing. It's the Blotterazzi by Beauty Blender, but I also like that there's a little mirror in here. And yeah, it's got these flat sponges in here, and it helps to take away any shine, oil, kind of blend your makeup, whatever, but I also use it just like as a makeup compact. Smelling good throughout the day is a big goal of mine. So I like to carry around a fragrance as well as deodorant. For deodorant, I have this pure vanilla healthy deodorant. It's like a natural formula that doesn't have aluminum or parabens or anything like that. For perfume, this is actually a hair fragrance, so it's a lot lighter. I will literally just like spray this into my hair or on my clothes. It is the Toka perfume in the scent Florence, which smells so good. It's more of a mature scent. It's floral, not too sweet, very fresh. I guess the only makeup product I literally have is lip gloss. I always carry this around. It's the NARS lip gloss in Big Trouble. It's just a pretty light peachy pink color that's great for any day. We've got a hair tie, some little mint strips. These really get the job done. The last thing I have in here is just some little Advil tablets, which honestly I've never used. One day I'm gonna need Advil, but haven't had to use it yet. Guys, there's really not much left in this bag. This is wild. Another tampon, just in case. Oh, we've got a pen, very important. This pen is actually from Feel by Lauren Elizabeth, shout out. My keys, of course. We've got my car keys and my house keys on this. And then my little black like leather sort of keychain holder is from All Saints, I believe, yeah. Last but not least, I don't always carry this around in like my work bag, but I just wanted to bring it up because I think it's a great idea for when you're going out. So usually I'll have this like in my smaller bags when I'm going out to hang out with friends, but I always love carrying around a disposable camera with me. I will literally just buy like multi-packs of the Fujifilm disposable cameras from Amazon and just throw one into my bag every time I head out. Film just looks so pretty, and it captures memories in such a different way. That is everything that is in my bag. I feel like this was kind of maybe boring and really, really simple, but it's honestly a very realistic picture of what I carry around with me. Nothing too crazy. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you did, then let me know by giving it a big thumbs up. If you're not doing anything else, go stalk my old videos. Check those out. They're gonna be so embarrassing, I just know it. Yeah, once again, if you're new here, be sure to subscribe, hit that bell notification, follow me on Instagram and Twitter, all that stuff. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you for a new video very soon. Bye.